What's up? For today's video, samahan nyo kami kasi pupunta kami ng Home Depot kasi bibili kami ng mga boxes para sa aming paglilipat. So, ayan, kakatapos lang ni Dominic magtrabaho kasi nag-work siya ng 9 a.m. till 5. Sasama kami ni Baby James para bumili ng mga boxes para ilagay yung mga gamit namin. Si James is ready na. Ako na lang yung hinihintay nila, guys. So, bibilisan ko lang ng pag-aayos ng aking mukha. Nakalagay na din naman ako ng skincare kanina. Sunscreen lang ako. Kasi kung nakikita niyo yan, guys, meron akong melasma dyan sa aking face. Nakuha ko yan nung nabuntis ako kay Baby James. Kaya ganun din siguro yung nangyari kay James. Marami siyang mga marks sa kanyang skin. So, naglalagay na ako ng sunscreen para ma-protect yung ating face. Ito pala yung sunscreen na ginagamit ko. It's a tinted sunscreen, guys. SPF 50 na siya. And maganda siya kasi parang foundation na din siya at the same time. So, yan ang lalagay natin. Hindi na tayo magdadagdag ng foundation. Magandang base na din. Tsaka ako kasi guys, hindi naman kasi ako naglalagay talaga ng makapal na makeup. Kasi ayaw nga ni Dominic kasi parang hindi na daw ako kapag naglalagay ako ng makapal na makeup. So, light lang tayo. Kahit mag-work ako guys, light lang din talaga. So, yan na yung base natin. Tapos makeup na or blush on na and other stuff sa ating mukha. Naghihintay na sila sa akin sa baba guys. Lotion na ako sa kamay. Kasi malamig na dito. Mabilis mag-dry yung ating skin. Tapos ito yung perfume ko guys. Paubos na siya. Say hi, babe.
Say James or babe?
Both of you.
Hello. Got off work. Tired.
Tired.
Yeah. Yay!
James, you gonna leave us?
You got your keys. Now you're getting to it.
What is that? You gonna bring that?
Yeah, pick those out.
Huh? Ba. Okay, let's go. Ba.
You ready?
Let's go. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Daddy.
Come here. Look here. Oh.
Bye, Daddy.
Come here.
Okay. Bye bye. Yes. Bye bye, house.
Say bye. Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Just kidding. She's coming. Was it Amazon? Was it yours?
I don't know. Did I order?
Kidding.
I didn't order.
Harrigan loves her Amazon.
Say hi to our vlog.
There it is. Hi. We're gonna bring your stroller.
Oh, Daddy gonna put you in the stroller? Uh-oh.
Hi! Shouted hi to my vlog. Guys, so nandito na kami sa sasakyan and paalis na kami ng bahay. Daddy just finished work. He's so tired.
Yeah.
But we really need to go now because it's already October 9, guys. And we're moving out October 31st. So that we can start packing na our stuff.
Yeah. It's getting close.
And it's cold. Every time we move out, guys, it's always cold. I remember last time it's cold too. My baby James. So James, is he gonna come with us too while we're moving, or you gonna let your sister or your mom watch him?
Oh, it depends on how much involved you want it to be. So if you actually want to lift boxes, then
Yeah, I feel like I still want to help, but it's just like the heavy stuff, so that it's more faster. Because me and Dominic, we both have jobs, so I'll try to like take off on that week while we're moving. Hey James, how was outside? Huh? So handsome, huh? Sometimes I was like editing the vlog and looking James. The more he grow up, the more he looks handsome. Yeah, look at that. So perfect. Huh? Huh? You're snoring? Oh, we're gonna see the cow soon. Cow? What's the cow says? Ooh, good job again. What's the cow says? 6 more minutes, guys. Ayan. Kita niyo yan. 6 more minutes. And then na kami sa aming destination. minutes and nandun na tayo. We're going to put James' shoes. It's James' fancy shoes. His daddy's style. Say James, hi! This kid is so loud.
No.
What are you doing? Mama keeps filming you. Oh my god, see? The camera. Come on. Bye.
Oh no!
I just kidding. Ready? 1, 2.
Nandito na pala kami, guys.
Say hi to mommy.
Say, let's go, guys. Let's go inside.
Let's go in.
Let's go in. We're here. Guys, maraming pumpkin sa labas. It's pumpkin day. And dito kami bibili ng boxes. The Home Depot. Ang mag-ama.
This one. This one. Grab up. This one. Up.
Oh, ay, nothing in there, Dad.
Oh. What is it?
No, pull it down. Just left.
Alright. We got storage.
Here, boy. James. This way. It's dirty.
Want to see the size?
Yes, we're buying a medium size, guys.
Yeah. So let's get. We already have 5 at the house.
Yeah.
Let's do 1 more.
Yeah, and then we can just come back whenever we need more.
Say box.
Baby. So how much is this? This is $2.28 each.
So how much is 10?
10. I don't know.
Come on.
Somewhere in $20. Maybe $25. So we're gonna buy 10. That's 10 now?
Yep.
Just like running around. Buddy! Is that Mr. Bean?
James, look. You see it? Step on it. It's gonna go.
It's moving.
All right, thank you.
James! For Halloween decorations.
You wanna see it? You wanna see it?
He's scared.
Yeah, he's good.
Up. Or just this one.
I have been looking everywhere for you. You're next on my list.
Yeah.
Hi James, are you okay?
Yeah. Thumbs up.
Yeah? You're not scared anymore?
James, where are the boxes? Where's the boxes? Right there. It's a
Right
box.
there. So we're here guys in the drill section. And ito yung brand na hinahanap ni Dominic. DeWalt. So but we're planning to buy it in the Amazon instead.
Yeah, I found a cheaper one with batteries and a proper case.
Okay.
Charger.
So
This one looks like it's just $3.19 just for the thing with
just
2
for
chargers.
this part.
Yeah. And yeah, and
$3.19 guys. Look at that.
too much.
Too much.
All right.
we're leaving?
Yep, we'll head out. That was the only other thing. And then, where's your mom?
Hi!
I think he's still traumatized from the dragon and ogre.
Daddy traumatized you?
You did good. You didn't cry.
Yeah. We're paying now, guys.
He's like, "Wow."
Cool. We're here now in the car, and Dominic is putting all the boxes inside the car. And Dominic says he missed me, so he wants me to sit in the front.
Yes. Exactly.
Right, babe?
Miss my wife too much. Been too far away in the back
Yeah.
seat.
And James is gonna be alone at the back. Go.
See if we can put it in.
Put it in. Say, put it in, Daddy. Oh.
Alright. Say 1. James. Come here. Can you walk? Come here. Come here. And he's gonna get the mulch. Just one.
Just one. Oh, good job.
Wow. Alright, let's go back to the car. Oh, you said?
James, I'm gonna miss you.
You're just like, you can't see anything.
James, I'm gonna miss you.
Oh, he's looking for his mulch. Yeah, sit back. I don't know, what'd you do to it? Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Watch out.
Next stop namin is pupunta kami ng... Where are we going? Aldi or Walmart?
Walmart.
Oh, we're going to the Walmart to buy some stuff. Kasi guys, kaka-grocery pa lang namin like weeks ago, maybe like days ago. Not days ago. Like maybe 3 days ago.
It feels like days ago.
Yeah. So, maybe like 3 days ago, guys. Tapos, ubos na yung saging. Ubos na din yung yogurt ni James. Ubos na din yung apple. Kasi yun lang kasi yung kinakain ni Dominic tsaka snacks ni James. So, ubos na, guys. So, ayun. Bibili kami ulit. Yun lang naman yung bibilihin namin. We're watching Dominic's niece, guys. If you're watching our vlog, you probably know her. She's Hannah. Welcome back, Hannah. So, we're watching her, guys, for this weekend. Kaya, we're maybe looking for some food to buy her.
Yes. I'm supposed to call my mom.
Oh, yeah. Because she eats, like, different stuff, guys. Like, me and Dominic, we're, like, eating chicken, rice, like those. So, they're different. Because she's American.
Want to make her eat whatever we make?
Yeah. And, like, James, you're gonna grow up, whatever we make, that's it. You don't have choice. You eat whatever I cook. Ganon. Since she's American race child, so she likes maybe pizza, like that.
Yeah. I mean, you're not wrong. I think she likes... I don't know what her choices are. For a long time, it was very limited. It was, you know, chicken nuggets and...
Yeah, pizza, fries,
yeah,
burgers, like that.
typical kid things. Not good for you stuff.
Nandito na kami, guys. Kasi yung Walmart tsaka yung Home Depot, magkatapat lang sila. So, nandito na kami sa parking. And binababa na ni Dominic si James. Ayan sila sa likod. Hi, James! Did you miss me? Did you miss me outside? At the back?
Where's your
Oh, you're having a snack? What? Say hi to our vlog.
Say hi.
Say hi.
I said hi like 20 times now. They know me. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, say stroller.
Say, let's go inside.
You can bring my coffee too.
Okay. Last day tomorrow, babe?
Yeah.
Dominic works 5 days a week. And then I work 3 days a week. 3 hours per night. Sometimes long as well.
Yeah, you do. Occasionally have some 8-hour
depends.
days.
But most of the time, guys, 3 to 5 hours per night.
Yeah.
And then only 3 days or 4 days.
And it's still like an hour and a half of driving for me to pick you up.
Yeah.
Drop you off, pick you
You need to teach me how to drive.
It's all my fault, guys.
Guys, nandito kami sa loob ng Walmart. Tingnan nyo guys. Meron silang guavas. Yan, luto na guys, mga guavas. Tingnan nyo kung magkano. $2. Guava, luto na. Pero meron din ng ilaw dito. So, this is what we got so far. We got the strawberry. Ayan, $5 yan guys. Para sa aming tatlo. Tingnan nyo, meron ditong walnut and pistachio muffin. So pretty. Ang pang masarap. $5 nga lang. Marami silang flavor. Meron silang pumpkin spice. Merong lemon blueberry. Blueberry and chocolate chips. Tapos meron din dito. Ayan, triple chocolate. Daddy's buying some yogurt. It's cold. It's cold. We're here in the frozen section, guys. It's cold. Right, James? It's cold. Yeah, we're gonna buy you yogurt. You wanna buy yogurt? Oh, Daddy, look. Daddy got some yogurts in there. Daddy. Daddy, what you're getting for me, Daddy? Yeah. Yes. Daddy's a long time to choose yogurt. All done. Going home. Say going home.
Say car seat. Say CC.
That's how he called his car seat, CC. CC. So, nandito na kami sa sasakyan, guys. Ayan yung loob ng sasakyan. No more space. Nilagay ni Dominic yung mga grocery namin dito sa ilalim. Yes, where's the moon? Where did it go?
I don't know.
You know? Oh, it's cold. I'm freezing. Hi! Nandito na kami sa loob ng sasakyan. Yes, guys, I want to show you something. I'm so excited. I got this donut. Look at that. It's 12 pieces.
Is that for you or your niece?
Me, and then whatever I didn't finish, I'll give it to your niece.
The leftovers?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're not your niece?
Guys, it's 12 pieces. Maganda siya, guys, kasi white siya, tapos may white sugar siya. Ayan. Sarap. $7, guys. 12 na piraso na siya.
Saying home.
Say home. Say home. We are home.
Show mommy your coffee.
You got coffee?
Alright, let me see you go in. Oh, you go in.
Do you have a key? Huh, James? You have a key with you? Go get Dada. It's cold now.
Yeah.
Well, you're drinking coffee? Huh?
Go on. Go. Oh. Put grapes on my porch.
The kid.
Huh? Come on. We're in. Where's mom?
Hi.
Stay home.
Hi. Home sweet home. You gonna help Daddy?
We gotta get the groceries.
Bring all the groceries? You need to think about it first? Huh? How Daddy gonna carry the grocery?
Bring your groceries, babe. You get it? Let me see you go up the stairs. Here, I'll help you. There you go. Let me see you climb up. Alright, get the bread. Get the bag. Can you get it? Pick it up. There you go, right here. Thank you. It's all smushed now. Good thing I'm not eating it. Okay, let me get the rest of the boxes. Get it.
Say, come in, Daddy. He's going inside the tunnel. Oh.
James, can we go in?
James. Go inside the tunnel.
I see. Go in.
Oh no. James, come here. Come here. Go, you can do it.
You gotta walk out.
You can do it.
You did it!
Yay!
Go in!
Go in! Go in!
Go in!
Come here!
Excuse me. What are you doing? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Run, James!
Oh no. Fell down.
This is the boxes that we bought. And 10 pieces. Ganito yung size niya.
So you want this square.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit wider.
Yeah. So ito yung size niya, guys. Medium. Yeah, so this one is like square. This is the old box that we used on our last move out. Tapos, tinago namin siya. Ito yung bago. So, this one is like perfect square. This one is kind of like rectangular. Yeah, but almost the same size. Hey guys! Ito nga pala yung mga nabili namin. Before we're gonna close our vlog, I'm gonna show you our groceries.
Make sure they know that is not our normal.
Oh, yeah. So, before we're gonna close our vlog, I'm gonna show you kung ano yung mga nabili namin for this time. But usually, this is not what we're eating, guys. Binili namin to for Dominic's niece kasi sabi ko nga kanina, ano siya, American version. American version.
And we asked what she wanted, and my mom said this is what she
Yeah,
wants.
so Dominic called his mom, and the mom says this is what she likes. So, kaya ito yung nabili namin sa kanya. She's gonna stay with us for 2 days and 2 nights. Meron tayong donut dito, Meron tayong donut, 12 pieces. Kinain ko na yung isa kanina. Meron tayo ditong white bread kasi gagawa daw to ng peanut butter and jelly. Bumili na din kami ng jelly dito, grape jelly. Sabi ko kay Dominic, strawberry flavor na jelly. Pero sabi ni Dominic, ito daw yung flavor ng...
Grape?
Yeah, grape flavor usually.
Yeah.
It's like a default. If the kid will eat peanut butter and jelly, ito daw yung default na flavor.
Yeah,
Sabi ni Dominic.
strawberry. But at least when I grew up, usually it was grape. But
Yeah. And this is one of her dinner food. It's a French bread pizza. So pizza siya, guys. Pero nasa French bread instead of pizza crust. Tapos meron siya ditong sweet and sour chicken. So nasa box siya, guys. So luto na siya. Iinitin mo lang siya and ready to eat na. Ganun. Tapos meron tayo dito yogurt, strawberry flavor. Ito naman para kay Dominic, kay James. Ito naman para kay James. Ito yung snacks ni Baby James usually. And we try, it's 0 added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, and 0% fat. So, 15 gram yung protein niya, guys. So, pag bumili kami ng yogurt na snacks ni James, we try to choose like the healthier version. Pero, yeah. Ito yung binili namin. Strawberry flavor din. Meron tayo dito apples. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung bili namin dito. Pero, okay na din siya, guys. Malalaki siya. And then, meron tayong 6 na peraso ng banana. Kasi meron pa naman kaming natira doon. Oh, James! Meron tayong strawberries. James likes strawberry. Yeah. And meron din tayo ditong Fanta or yung orange soda. Look at James. He's already pulling his chair because he wanna go up. You wanna up? Ang kalat ng bahay namin, guys, kapag may toddler ka na talaga. Parang oras-oras na lang nagliligpit ka. What are you doing? Huh? You're trying to go up sa chair mo? Baby, James needs some help.
Where you? Oh. You need help?
You need help? Tell Daddy help.
You stuck? You get it? You get it? Alright, go ahead. Go in. Go in. Go in. You gotta go in. Up. In. He just wants the thing.
Go up na.
This is what he wants. Put in.
So cancelled na, you don't wanna go up na?
He wants the thing. Oh, very good.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video today. Hope you enjoy. And this is our...
You're busy.
Busy siya, guys. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Come here. Come here. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Say bye-bye.
So bye, everyone.
Say bye. Bye-bye. Huh?
There you go. Pick the nose. That's good.
Thank you so much.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye, camera crew. Say kiss. Kiss, James. James, kiss.
James.
Kiss. Kiss.